Did you know a lot of us, like 8 out of 10 people, really wish for a flatter tummy? What if I told you there might be something amazing for this, and it's probably in your kitchen right now? Yep, we're talking about castor oil, a natural remedy that's been around for ages. Today, we're going to explore all about castor oil and see if it's the secret weapon against belly fat we've all been hoping for. First, we'll explain what castor oil is. It's not just any oil. It's special and comes from the seeds of the castor plant. Then we'll look into how it's supposed to work. Does it really help you lose that stubborn belly fat? And if so, how do you use it? We've got all the answers for you. Let's get started. 1. Background on castor oil. Castor oil is a natural oil squeezed from the seeds of the castor plant, known scientifically as Ricinus communis. This plant's history goes way back, with its oil being used for thousands of years. People from ancient civilizations like the Egyptians were big fans. They used it for lighting lamps, as a natural remedy to soothe skin irritations, and even in food. What makes castor oil special is a magic ingredient called ricinoleic acid. This unique component makes up more than 90% of the oil, giving it some pretty cool properties. Ricinoleic acid is known for being super tough on germs and inflammation. That means it can help calm down swelling and fight bacteria, making it a go-to natural remedy for a variety of health issues. Folks have used castor oil for all sorts of things. It's like a Swiss Army knife in a bottle. From helping wounds heal faster to easing achy muscles and joints, its uses are many. Some people even swear by it for making their hair thick and lashes long. Plus, it's been a handy helper for keeping the stomach happy and moving things along in the digestive tract. In recent times, there's buzz about its ability to help with belly fat. The idea is that its anti-inflammatory and circulation-boosting powers might just make a difference. While it's not a magic weight loss solution, its history and unique properties certainly make castor oil a fascinating and versatile natural remedy worth exploring. 2. Scientific basis. Castor oil is a thick, natural oil that has been used for thousands of years. It comes from the seeds of the castor plant, which is also known as Ricinus communis. This plant grows in warm climates, and its oil has been part of traditional medicine in many cultures around the world. People have used castor oil for many things. They've put it on their skin to heal wounds and reduce pain. Some have taken it by mouth to relieve constipation or to start labor in pregnant women. Also, it's been used to make hair and skin healthy. The secret behind castor oil's power is a special ingredient called ricinoleic acid. This acid makes up about 90% of castor oil, and it's good at fighting inflammation and pain. Ricinoleic acid can help muscles relax, which might be why castor oil can soothe sore areas and reduce swelling. Besides helping with pain and swelling, ricinoleic acid is thought to boost blood flow to the skin. This might help the body get rid of extra fluid and make skin look better. Some people believe that these benefits can also help reduce belly fat by improving how well our body systems work together. However, it's important to remember that using castor oil alone won't melt away belly fat. A healthy diet and regular exercise are key parts of any plan to lose weight. 3. How castor oil works for belly fat. Using castor oil to tackle belly fat involves a few steps where its natural properties come into play. Firstly, castor oil helps with fluid retention. This means it can reduce the puffiness and bloating around your belly by encouraging your body to get rid of extra water. Secondly, castor oil is known to boost heat and blood flow when applied to the skin. This increased circulation can help to kickstart your body's fat-burning process, known as thermogenesis. This is when your body makes more heat, helping to burn calories and fat. Additionally, castor oil has detoxifying effects. It helps cleanse your body by supporting your lymphatic system, which gets rid of toxins. A cleaner, more efficient system can better manage fat. There's a study that looked into using essential oils like grapefruit and ylang-ylang along with castor oil to reduce belly fat. These oils, combined with the massage action, were found to help lower subcutaneous fat, the fat that sits just under your skin. To apply castor oil for belly fat, mix it with a few drops of grapefruit and ylang-ylang essential oils. Rub this mixture on your belly in a circular motion, going clockwise. This self-massage technique helps with absorption and increases blood flow. Doing this regularly, say 3 times a week, can maximize its benefits. Some even suggest using a warm cloth or wrap over the area to enhance the oil's penetration and effectiveness. Remember, consistency is key to seeing results. 4. DIY castor oil concoction. To make your castor oil mixture for reducing belly fat, start with these simple steps. Gather your ingredients. You'll need 1/4 cup of castor oil as your base. Then pick up some essential oils, specifically 10 drops of grapefruit essential oil for its fat-burning properties and 2 drops of ylang-ylang essential oil for its stress-reducing and mood-enhancing effects. Mixing. In a clean glass container, combine the castor oil with the grapefruit and ylang-ylang essential oils. Glass is best because it doesn't react with the oils. Choosing the right material. For applying this mixture, use a piece of unbleached cotton or wool flannel. These materials are natural and less likely to irritate your skin compared to synthetic fabrics. They also hold the oil well, allowing your skin to absorb it better. Application tips. Apply the oil mixture to your belly and cover it with the cotton or wool flannel. For even better absorption, you can place a warm heating pad over the flannel. This warmth opens your pores and helps your skin soak up all the good stuff. Leave it on for at least 45 minutes or, if you're comfortable, overnight. Remember, the key to effectiveness is consistency and using the right materials to ensure your skin can fully absorb the castor oil mixture. 5. Precautions and considerations. When using castor oil, especially for newbies, it's important to move forward carefully to avoid any unwanted reactions, particularly if you have sensitive skin or health issues. Here's what to keep in mind. Patch test. Before you slather castor oil all over your belly, do a small patch test. Put a little bit of the oil mixture on a tiny area of your skin and wait for at least 24 hours. This is to see if you get an itchy, red, or upset reaction. If your skin says no thank you, it's best to steer clear. Sensitive skin. If you know your skin gets upset easily, you might want to use less castor oil or dilute it more with carrier oil, like coconut or almond oil. This can help prevent any irritation. Health conditions. If you have any health concerns, such as pregnancy, digestive issues, or you're on medication, have a chat with your doctor first. It's best to make sure castor oil won't mess with your health or any treatments you're currently on. Be mindful. Listen to your body. If anything feels off after using castor oil, it's better to stop and seek advice from a healthcare professional. Taking these precautions can help ensure that your experience with castor oil is both safe and beneficial. We've explored how castor oil might just be the secret ingredient you need to help reduce that stubborn belly fat. Remember, though, it's all about balance, so keep up with healthy eating and regular exercise too. If you found this video helpful, why not give it a big thumbs up? And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on more awesome tips. Share this with your friends and family who might be looking for natural ways to stay fit. Do you have any questions or something to share? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Your health is your wealth. Thanks for watching, and remember, we'll see you in the next video.